Coinbase Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this review of the Coinbase Wallet, a secure and user-friendly crypto wallet designed for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. The Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning you have full control over your private keys and, by extension, your cryptocurrencies. This wallet supports a wide range of assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens, along with NFTs, making it versatile for diverse crypto portfolios. One of the standout features of the Coinbase Wallet is its integration with decentralized apps, dApps. You can seamlessly connect to a variety of dApps directly from the wallet, enabling you to trade on decentralized exchanges, lend your assets, or explore the world of DeFi with ease. The wallet also supports multi-chain transactions, allowing you to manage assets across different blockchains in one place. For those concerned about security, Coinbase Wallet offers robust protection. It features biometric authentication, a private key backup option, and an encrypted cloud backup to ensure your keys are safe even if you lose your device. However, keep in mind that being a self-custody wallet, the responsibility for security lies entirely with you. There's no recovery option through Coinbase if you lose your private keys, which emphasizes the importance of backing them up securely. Coinbase Wallet is also highly accessible. It's available as a mobile app for both iOS and Android, and it provides a clean, intuitive interface that's perfect for users new to cryptocurrency. For more advanced users, it offers features like custom gas fees for transactions, allowing for better control over transaction speeds and costs. In summary, Coinbase Wallet is a powerful tool for anyone looking to dive deeper into the crypto world. It combines ease of use with advanced features, making it suitable for a wide range of users. However, it's crucial to understand the responsibility that comes with a self-custody wallet. There's no safety net from Coinbase if you lose your private keys. If you're comfortable with that level of responsibility, Coinbase Wallet is an excellent choice to manage your crypto assets securely and efficiently.